Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I am Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video provides some extra practice for calculating percentages. Remember, you need to participate and actually give a response when I pause the video if you want to maximize your learning. Let's get started. If you've already participated in the previous mini lecture, you should have a feel for how these example problems work. If you haven't viewed the previous video, or you just want to review, go ahead and check that out before continuing on here. Don't worry, I'll be right here when you get back. Okay, I'll give you some more room to work this next problem on your own. A survey conducted by theknot.com asked engaged or married women about the importance of the bended knee when making a marriage proposal. Of the 1,165 who participated, 48% said that the bended knee is essential. Now, what is the exact value that is 48% of 1165? I'll give you a moment to respond. If you take 1165 and multiply by 0.48, which is the decimal form of 48%, you get 559.2. Next question. Could the result from part A be the actual number of women who said a bended knee is essential? Why or why not? Again, I'll give you a few seconds to make your response. Well, no, it can't. Remember, always count people as whole units. Now, what is the exact number of women who said a bended knee is essential? Okay, to get the actual number, round the exact number to the nearest whole number. This means 559.2 rounds down to 559 because 2 is the number in the next decimal place to the right from where we want to round. In this case, that's the number just after the decimal point. Since 2 is less than 5, we round down. Finally, among the 1165 respondents, 93 said that a bended knee is corny and outdated. What percentage does this represent? If you said 8%, then you're right. Take 93, which is part of the whole that's to say a bended knee is corny and outdated, and divide by the whole, which is 1165. You get 0.07983, which rounded to the nearest hundredths place is 0.08. Converting from decimal form to percent form gives 8%. I hope you have the hang of this by now, so let's see you fly through this last one. In a survey conducted by Opinion Research Corporation, 1,000 adults were asked to identify what is appropriate in the workplace. Of the 1,000 subjects, 70% said that miniskirts were not appropriate in the workplace. I guess that depends on where your workplace is. Some restaurants have garnered a reputation for scantily clad waitresses serving their customers. So I'm guessing the survey was referring to so-called white-collar jobs. Okay, here's your first question. What is the exact value that is 70% of 1,000? You might not even need your calculator for this one. Okay, if you take 1,000 and multiply by 0.7, which is the decimal form of 70%, you get 700.0. You can easily do this in your head by knowing that multiplying by 1,000 moves the decimal place 3 places to the right, 1 place for each 0 in 1,000. You can use this trick for any multiples of 10. Next question. Could the result from part A be the actual number of adults who said miniskirts are not appropriate workplace attire. Why or why not? Again, this shouldn't take you long, but I'll give you a moment. Well, in this instance, yes, it can. The number 700 is already a whole number, so no rounding is required. Finally, among the 1,000 respondents, 550 said that shorts are unacceptable in the workplace. What percentage of respondents does this represent? If you said 55%, then you're right. Take 550, which is the part of the whole that thinks shorts are not acceptable, and divide by the whole, which is 1,000. This has the effect of moving the decimal place 3 places to the left, which yields 0.55. Converting from decimal form to percent form gives 55%. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.